Welcome. Today I am with Huawei SoundJoy wireless speaker, and I'm going to show you how you can pair this speaker with your Apple Watch. So at the first, you have to remember to charge your device at least to the 50%. Next, you have to find this control panel and click on the power button to turn it on. Press on it hard, release, and now just wait until this Bluetooth icon starts blinking. It means that right now we are in the pairing mode. So what you have to do next? Take a look. Let's put back our speaker, move to the Apple Watch. Let's open the settings. Okay, let me go back, and from this list you have to find this Bluetooth settings. It will be right here. So tap on it once and then scroll down a little bit to find the Huawei SoundJoy speaker. You have to tap on it once. And as you can hear, we are successfully connected. So yeah, that's how we can make it, and if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.